Ever wondered why cybersecurity stands as a top priority in our digital age? Well, today we'll delve into the fascinating world of cybersecurity, unraveling its importance and how it works. As a cybersecurity professional, let me paint a picture that underscores just why cybersecurity is pivotal in our digital life. Imagine you're an employee at a powerhouse corporation. One day, an email pops up in your inbox, seemingly from your boss, requesting sensitive company data. Without a second thought, you send off the information. However, later on you discover that this email was not from your boss but was, in fact, a cleverly disguised phishing attack. Suddenly you've unintentionally handed over valuable data, putting your company at risk. This is just one instance of how a lack of cybersecurity awareness can lead to catastrophic outcomes. So, you see, learning to be secure online isn't just beneficial, it's an absolute necessity for anyone using digital platforms. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricate world of cybersecurity. In the simplest terms, cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from digital threats. These threats can take on various forms, such as viruses, malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Understanding cybersecurity begins with understanding the types of threats out there. It's a bit like knowing your enemy. Cyber threats can be divided into three main categories: confidentiality threats, integrity threats, and availability threats. Confidentiality threats aim to steal private information, integrity threats alter your data without your consent, and availability threats prevent you from accessing your own data. Next, let's talk about the basic steps in cybersecurity. The first step is identification. This involves recognizing the assets that need protection. This could be anything from your personal email to a company's financial records. Following identification, the next step is protection. This involves implementing measures to safeguard these assets. This could be through firewalls, encryption, or even simple steps like strong password practices. Detection is the third step, where systems and processes are put in place to identify any potential breaches or attacks. This could be through antivirus software or intrusion detection systems. The fourth step is response. This involves having a plan in place for when a breach occurs. This could involve isolating affected systems, removing the threat, and recovering lost or corrupted data. The final step is recovery. This is where systems are restored and returned to normal operation. It also involves learning from the incident and improving security measures to prevent future attacks. But why does cybersecurity matter so much? In our increasingly interconnected world, a single breach can have catastrophic consequences. Personal information can be stolen, businesses can lose millions, even governments can be destabilized. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting systems and data, it's about protecting people and their lives. To sum it all up, cybersecurity is a critical aspect of our digital world. It involves understanding the types of threats, identifying what needs to be protected, implementing protective measures, detecting potential breaches, responding to incidents, and recovering from them. It's a complex field, but with a little understanding, everyone can play their part in maintaining a safer digital world. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's a shared responsibility that affects us all. So protect your digital life with knowledge and vigilance. Because in the realm of cybersecurity, knowledge truly is power. Now that you understand the basics of cybersecurity, it's time to take action. You don't need to be a tech expert to start securing your digital life. Even a basic understanding can go a long way in protecting you from cyber threats. Start by securing your online presence. Update your passwords, use two-factor authentication, be cautious with the information you share online, and always keep your devices updated with the latest security patches. I am committed to making cybersecurity easy to understand for everyone. I will be releasing new videos every week to help you navigate the complex world of cybersecurity. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly insights on how to stay secure online. Knowledge is power, and together we can make the internet a safer place.